Hey everybody, Tyler here, Boulevard Home. We have another amazing food demo for you today, and we're focusing on a dessert. This dessert is s'mores. Everybody loves s'mores. Everybody loves how they come out. We're gonna do it on a Traeger. All you need is the classic ingredients of graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. All right, so we've just finished making a few s'mores. And we've got Jerry and Jason here. They're gonna test one for us, tell us what they think. So guys, come and grab one.
All right. Oh.
Hey Jacob, come here, do you want a s'more?
S'more what?
S'more, no, I mean a s'more.
Well, I just got here, so how can I have some more of something I haven't had?
You're killing me, Jacob! Okay, here's some more stuff. Now pay attention. First you got the graham.
Okay.
The graham goes over here. You put the graham on the grill. Then you grab the chocolate, place it on the graham. You grab a mallow, the mallow goes on the chocolate, and all you have to do is wait now, close the grill, and wait till it's mushy. Then once you're done, you put the graham back on the mallow, and that's a s'more.
Very good. Now I know how to make a s'more.
All right, thanks for watching today. Hopefully you got a few good tips on how to make some delicious s'mores. I've got one in my hand right now. Can't wait to eat it in just a second. Subscribe to our channel, ring that bell to get notifications. We love to hear your comments, so comment for us below. Happy eating. So good.